It's our sight word time. Last week, before spring break, we learned the word or. Or is spelled O-R. We use the word or when we are talking about a choice of two or more things. Now, we read through the poem Creepy Creatures. In the poem Creepy Creatures, you hear the word or. Now, since it's been a while since we've practiced this poem together, I'm going to read it to you. Whenever you hear the word or, I want you to put your finger, on your chin. So every time you hear Miss Wood say the word or, put your finger on your chin. Let's get started. Creepy creatures. Pam said, I do not like flies or bees. Kim said, I do not like snails or spiders. They said, we do not like snakes or frogs. Tom said, I do not like mice or bats. They all said, we like butterflies. Now, since I read this poem to you, I can go ahead and color this star. Every time you hear the poem being read or you read it to yourself, you can color the stars at the bottom. Now, we heard the word or in our poem many times. It was giving us the choice of, or it was telling us of the two choices, flies or bees, snails or spiders, snakes or frogs, mice or bats. And all of these creatures are creepy. They're not really liked by many people. As we move on, I want my friends to continue practicing the word or. Now, each of you have my sight word book. Inside your sight word book, it's a page for each of the sight words that we practice. Your job today will be to turn to the page or, O-R. Your first step is to rainbow write the word or, and then only color the word that says or. When you finish, I want you to read the sentence. Notice that this sentence ends with a question mark. It's asking a question. Once you finish reading the page or in your sight word book, I want you to open your home learning workbook and practice and review with the sight word roll, read, and write. Now, there are 6 sight words, so you need the dice from your game, and I want you to roll it, read the sight word, and write it. See if you can remember all 6 of these sight words and read them by yourself.